Hi guys, PD Tech here with another little unboxing of my Parrot Mambo mini drone. Now there's no controller with this, it's just a Bluetooth controlled quadcopter from a little app on your mobile device, and it's called Flypad Mini. It comes with a little 6-shot cannon and a little grabber as well, which attached to the drone via a little Lego block attachment there, and that's where it picks the power up as well for this and the grabber. So this is just the quadcopter only. It actually comes with a flypad and an FPV camera if you buy and some goggles as well if you buy the FPV setup, but that's £150. This one's just £99. So I like the design. I like the shape of it, I like the size of it, I like the frame as well. It does flips and it auto takes off. It's a very stable flyer. It's got an optical positioning sensor on it and a sonic sensor. So the sonic sensor helps it maintain its altitude, and the optical flow sensor helps it maintain its horizontal position. So there's no GPS on this, and it will fly outside, and as long as you fly in light winds, nothing too crazy, should be fine. But it's also ideal for inside with the little prop guards on, so you can fly this in a tight little space, no problem. And obviously you can attach the FPV camera if you want, because there's no camera on this one. There's a little downward facing camera, and you can take sort of simple little photos, downward facing photos from it, but they're not going to be very good quality, to be honest with you. So that's the box. Let's have a quick look around the box. So it weighs around something like 63 grams, something like that. It comes with a battery, it comes with a spare set of props, it comes with instruction manual, it comes with these two accessories, like I said. A little bit of stuff on the side there. Some more bump on the side. That's the picture on the back. So let's have a look inside the box, see what we get. So there you go. So you get your basic, you got your quadcopter, you got your little, that's your little 6-shot cannon, that's a little power connector on the base, you get some spare BBs, that's the little grabber that fits underneath the Mambo, that's the little power connector, again a little like a Lego block. That's the metal contacts there for the power. You get your charging lead. You do get a spare set of props, and you've got the manual there underneath. I think that's a prop removing tool, I think. So there's nothing else under there. That's the manual. Plenty of information in there. All different languages. And you got your English in there as well. So let's have a look at the quadcopter itself. So this is the Mambo itself. You've got some nice LEDs on the front that look like a bit like eyes actually. That's the sensor underneath, that's the big silver round one, that's the sonic sensor. That helps maintain its altitude up and down, keeps it stable up and down. And the one below that, the little one, that's a little optical flow sensor, which is actually a little downward facing camera. And what that does, that will pick up a pattern on the floor, or it'll pick up something on the floor and it'll focus on that and just help to keep the quadcopter stable, stop it moving around horizontally. So because it's old technology, it's not quite as good as the latest ones. It does actually fluctuate a little bit. It keeps it very stable, but it's going to move around and it's going to go up and down. So don't expect it to be as stable as something like the Tello or something a little bit more modern, because it's using older technology basically. It's an older quadcopter from about 2015. I like the design, I like the shape of it, I like the frame. Looks like a very robust frame. It's got the prop guards, which are going to be pretty essential for indoor flying, I would imagine, especially if you're a new pilot, just to help protect your propellers. That's the little power contacts on the top. The battery clips in the back, goes in there, and that's actually the charging port on the back, little micro USB. So it charges inside the drone. And it's a 3.7 volt single cell 550 milliamp hour battery. And you can actually buy an upgraded battery. I think it's 660 milliamp hour. Still a single cell 3.7 volt. So the Canon fits on top, and you can buy an FPV camera that fits on top. And the grabber clips on underneath there on the front legs, and the power block connects in the top there. So I think it's going to be really good. It's going to be really good to fly this. I think it's going to be quite agile. It's definitely a flipper. It flips, auto takes off. It's got 3 speed modes apparently. The first mode, your optical flow is working, and your sonic sensor for your altitude is working, and the speed slightly reduced. In the second mode, it's a little bit quicker, and I think the optical position sensors turned off, and then it's got a third mode where you've got no optical flow sensor and you've got no altitude hold either, and it's a little bit quicker. That's the faster mode. So I think in that mode it's going to be quite nippy. It's got these brushed motors, 8.5mm by 20mm direct drive motors, so that's going to give it plenty of power. I think it's something like, without the prop guards on, it's something like 63 grams. And if you've got the camera on top with the prop guards, it weighs in at something like 73 grams. So the build quality is really nice. Feels really sturdy. It's nice and light. I just like the design. Made by Parrot. So these are currently £99 if you buy just the drone with the grabber and the 6-shot cannon. If you buy the FPV camera, the goggles and the controller, that's £150. You can buy the controller separately, that's £39, which I might do, I might get that. But currently at the minute it's controlled via an app on your phone, via Bluetooth, so the range is not going to be brilliant because it's using the Bluetooth on your phone. So to extend the range a bit, it's probably better to get the flypad. That gives you around 100 to 150 meters, something like that. So I might just get the flypad. But that's a quick look at the Parrot Mambo. I just thought I'd show you that, my new drone. I'll be taking this for a fly soon. It's got a little bit of a bent propeller on it there, look, that front white one. Which I'm going to have a try at bending it back. Maybe if I could just heat it up a little bit and just press it back a little bit. It's not cracked or anything. So I'll give that a try, see what happens. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please take care. If you're not already a subscriber, press that subscribe button. And thank you to all my existing subscribers. Please take care. Bye bye for now.